Good morning, Environmental Science 20 students. I hope you're all doing well and getting used to the new normal that we're in as we embark on learning from home and being able to continue learning if you've chosen to do so. I look forward to continuing to connect with you all, and this is a challenge for every one of us. So it's crazy to think that this is the place that we're in right now, but like I said in class, extremely relevant to environmental science and how pandemics is something that controls populations. So having said that, I just wanted to touch base with you, making sure that you're all well and provide a voice to some of the messages I've been putting out there. So first thing I want to let you know is that everybody that is handed in an assignment and has received a mark will be achieving no less than 50% in this course, regardless of what you do moving forward in the next few months. Everyone can improve their mark. So if you're sitting at a 75 and want to improve it, you have that option by continuing to do the learning that I provide moving forward. If you're happy with the mark that you have on PowerSchool right now, you can take it and run and not have to do anything else. No one's marks will be lower than what it is right now. So if you choose to continue moving forward and don't do any of the work, you will not be penalized for that. So I hope that makes sense for you. And there's some of you that have indicated that you want to do online learning only. Some of you have indicated just paper packages and some both. So if you've indicated that you want both online learning and paper packages from the outset, the first assignment has been photocopied and left at the school for you, and I believe a staff member is going to be dropping off those packages in the next couple of days at the homes of those that chose to do so. It'll be exactly the same as what's been assigned online, and hopefully you can check that out and through Microsoft Teams to see where you need to be. So I'm just playing around with this, and I don't think it's doing a screencast. So I'm going to see if I can figure that out here right away. Just I'm going to pause it, and then we'll move forward from there.